In this video, we'll be replacing the wing mirror puddle lights from this to these LED lights here. Removal of the wing mirror puddle light housing itself is very simple. Place the screwdriver in the tang and gently pry inwards. One side will pop out, and right after you just have to grab the housing and slide it out on the side that you just put the screwdriver. You twist off the light socket and you have access to everything. The LEDs come in various lengths. To be sure you have a proper length LED, insert your little screwdriver all the way into the puddle light housing and place your finger on the screwdriver at the edge of the housing. Pull it out without moving your finger and place it along a tape measure to get your absolute maximum length light. Try to go a little bit below this to be sure for the fit. LEDs are generally square in shape, so we have the added problem of a square peg in a round hole dilemma when it comes to inserting them into the puddle light housing. To remedy this situation, grind slowly with the Dremel an oval shape in the housing, being careful not to remove the seat or the tangs that hold the socket in place. Do this slow and just enough to get the LED in. To be sure that the LEDs are installed properly because they are unidirectional, you have to cover the light sensor on the dash. For this, I used the cap from a spray can to cover it, and I activate it using the unlock function of the door locks. Now I unlock my doors using the remote, and as we see, the LED lights up. So in this case, the LED has been installed properly. Should it not light up, just remove the LED light from the socket and install it 180 degrees the other way, and it should light. Now we gently work the LED socket into the puddle light housing, which we grinded with the Dremel for the fit. So, being careful, you work in the light gently. Be sure that the water seal is still in place. You should feel sort of a resistance as you twist the socket in its place. Now slide in the opposite end of the tang of the puddle light housing into the mirror housing itself, and then push up on the tang side until you hear it snap into place. That is it, that is all, and that was one light. It took in real time approximately 10 to 15 minutes, including the Dremel work. So you can calculate about a half hour to 45 minutes.